Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skribbl, EO with friends on your mobile device. It's a fantastic drawing and guessing game that's super easy to set up. First, open your mobile browser and navigate to the Skribbl, EO website. From there, you can quickly create a private room. Remember, you'll need at least 2 players to begin the fun. Once on the Skribbl, EO homepage, look for the Create Private Room button. After clicking it, you can customize various game settings. You might want to adjust the number of rounds, the drawing time, or even the maximum number of players. The game will then generate a unique link. Simply copy and share this link with your friends so they can join your private session. Your friends can easily join your game by simply clicking on the unique link you shared. Once everyone is in, the game begins. One player will be chosen to draw a word from a selection, while the other players type their guesses into the chat. The faster you guess correctly, the more points you earn, and the clearer the drawing, the more points the artist receives. To make your Skribbl, EO experience even better, consider using a separate voice chat application with your friends. This adds a whole new layer of fun and interaction. You can also personalize your game by adding custom words to the word list, making it unique to your group. Remember to encourage fair play and embrace everyone's creative drawing attempts for the most enjoyable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.